Hello, we are 60 students and we are going to show you the monument of Bilbao. The first monument is the Guggenheim Museum. As you see in this photo, you can see that it is very big and very beautiful. The next monument is the Bellas Artes Museum. It is very big and it is in one part. The next monument is the Basilica Begoña. This is not a monument, it's a basilica, but is very important in Bilbao. This monument is the Santiago's Cathedral. It is very big and very beautiful. After, it is the Arriaga Theatre. This monument is a theatre. It is very good. And for finish, we have the Maritime Museum. In this museum you can see things of the antiquity. This is all and thank you for listening, guys. Goodbye.
Created using Powtoon.